issued at 6:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for Southeastern Chelan County in north-central Washington until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in number 1 and number 2 canyons. Between 0.25 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams and urban areas, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wenatchee, West Wenatchee, and South Wenatchee. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Chelan, Washington,